guys my fried chicken. I'm trying it in the air fryer today, so we're gonna see how it turns out. I started off with some clean chicken and I'm just seasoning it. As soon as I'm done seasoning it, I will be right back with you guys. So you'll see me here just kind of mixing the seasoning in. After I mix it in, you'll see me just kind of beating it with the fork just to try to get some holes in it. I think it helps make it tender, and it also helps whenever I put the hot sauce in it just to kind of help it get inside in the meat a little bit, just to give it a little extra flavoring. Once I got it, the hot sauce in here, I just kind of like to let it sit, usually for about 30 minutes or so. And then I go in, just like I would do my regular fried chicken and, the oil. I did me some flour, and I did add me some seasonings to my flour as well. So once I have all of my flour and everything and my chicken has sat and marinated, I just take it and add flour to it, shake the flour off some, and just put it on the plate. I only was able to do just a few for my air fryer because it's so small. I know some people put, more than just a few pieces that I did, but I was scared. I didn't want it to touch, and I still wanted it to have its crunchiness. I didn't want all the flour to come off. And once I did this, I just kind of sat in the air fryer, and then I sprayed it on each side with some cooking spray and let it cook. So I'll be right back with you guys. Guys, so that was our cube. Chicken's done. This chicken was actually really good. It tastes way better than the fried chicken that I made with the chicken I had left over. So I do recommend this recipe. Go get you an air fryer. Thank you guys so much for watching All Things with Tip. Make sure you guys share, like, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at All Things with Tip. I'll see you next time. Peace.